Hey yo, some boys wonder why we blowing up like TNT. Cause why? We roll it out with BNC. You understand? It's your doctrine. Okay.
This morning, it's a Wednesday. It's a wonder working Wednesday. And you know, Wednesdays are all about that health aspect, that balance, that wellness. And this morning, we're talking about taking charge of your health. But before I do the whole interview myself, let me interview Mr. Henry Butler.
I'm great. I'm happy to be in studios this morning and sharing this message of health, taking full control of your own health.
All right. Now the question is, you know, when you say something like that, how do you do that? How do you go about taking charge of your health?
You make an investment.
Right.
Just like, say, for example, the cable company come in and set up your cable. The cable company comes in your house once and set up that, but you pay auto ship every month.
Right.
If you need extra channels, you invest in that because you want to be comfortable in the night watching programs.
Right.
The same action need to be taken with your health. You overwork your body, countless hours every day. You treat your job as priority.
Right.
You treat family members as priority. Some people even treat church as priority and don't make an investment in their health. And I'm here today to talk about the TAB. The TAB system stimulates your body through your feet and your hand, which balances the whole body. So it takes that stress out of the body. It improves blood circulation. So it makes the body, the quality of the person's life more endurable. The quality is improved, and that's what we're trying to keep people making an investment in your health. A lot of people, they go about life working under stressful environments. They're eating these foods. The foods are creating the problem in the body. When we have this breakthrough product like the BIOS Life Slim, which is simple, it don't make your life uncomfortable. And what it does is you mix it in 8 to 10 ounces of water, and you drink it before your meal, and it reduces the glycemic index of the food. When I say that, I mean it reduces how much sugar is deposited into the bloodstream after a meal, and that helps the body the body's metabolism to regulate. So it helps the body to reduce how much you store fat. And see, fat is a high contributor to these metabolic problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol. On top of that, even the drink products that we consume in every day, they have a lot of preservative, additives, coloring. These stuff deposit a lot of sugar because even the juices, they call juices, has a lot of high sugar, sucrose and all that stuff, fructose in it, which is going to create a high spike in sugar, which is going to create fat storage. And people are going to put on weight every year. Their cholesterol is going to be out of whack. Their sugar level is going to get out of whack. And then we also talk about cleansing, because you bringing in all this toxin. It's very important that we cleanse our system every 3 to 4 months. Reason being is because that's what we call making an investment in your health. Your physical body is being clogged up. You're not exercising, you're not taking advantage of Iron Bailey Park, you're not taking advantage of the fort. These things are free. We need to bring more physical activity to our body. You make an investment in the light, in the cable. You're not making an investment in your body. What if you die today, or if you get disabled? What kind of stress that will bring on your family? So that's why I say, take control of your health today and make an investment. An investment is when you make an investment in your health, no one can take that away from you. We make an investment in our job, working on people's job all our life, even get fired, and our health is being depleted daily. So I'm talking about this morning is making an investment in your health. The benefits, you only could gain a better quality life. You could reverse a lot of complications of these diseases if you make an investment, not tomorrow, today.
Today, all right, indeed. And taking charge of your health, you need to get all 3 of these products really to be able to, use them simultaneously.
I call them the jumper products, because once you start these products, you're going to see results. That's why I even ain't really getting into detail and explaining the product. When you cleanse your system, your body's metabolism will regulate. When you stimulate your body with magnetic impulses, you will feel 100% better. You will sleep better. So we know they're not on trial. When you take BIOS Life Slim, I know it's going to reduce the sugar from the meal. And when you start to increase your water intake, your body's going to be more hydrated. It's not going to be dehydrated, and your body is going to work properly. So for persons out there, Henry Butler again is offering, I'm going to make an investment in the listening audience. 5 people, first time callers, to come and change their life today. Make an investment in your health. And that's the whole message of this interview today. 328-1085, 328-1085. And you folks who have email, and if you need information, my email address is henrybutler3@yahoo.com. Dying 40, 30 because of they don't make an investment in their health. Don't make it in the house, don't make it in insurance, you make it in your health. That's the most thing next to God is your health.
That's it.
Bahamas, have a blessed day. Listening audience, make an investment in your health. Take charge of your health.
Yes, sir.
Captain, does it make sense?
It makes sense. It does. It does.
Your job will fail you. Your insurance might even fail you.
Right.
But if you take care of your health, your grandchildren can enjoy you. Right. Your quality life can improve. And that's we try and renew the mind of people in the Bahamas. 328-1085.
All right, indeed. Make sure take charge of your health today. And we definitely want to thank Mr. Henry Butler for coming in this morning. It's always a pleasure because we get to talk about health, we get to talk about balance, we get to talk about sticking around for our children to grow up and get old, you know. So make sure to touch it down. We're coming back.